Hello everyone, today we're going to dive deep into a company that's been getting a lot of attention lately in the tech sector, Palantir Technologies, with the recent surge in demand for AI-driven analytics and data solutions across both public and private sectors. Palantir finds itself at the very heart of that transformation, and its stock price is now approaching a critical level. The stock is currently trading around $124, with the previous all-time high of $125.41. Just above this price level is more than just a line on the chart. It represents a psychological barrier watched by countless traders and institutions alike. From a technical perspective, the RSI has pushed above 80, which under typical circumstances might indicate overbought conditions. However, when a stock is on the verge of breaking out to a new high, that momentum can often continue. Rather than reverse, market sentiment right now is centered on one question: will Palantir break out to new highs? And if it does, we may see a wave of breakout buyers rushing in, potentially igniting a new rally phase. This kind of move is rarely just technical, it's a shift in psychology, a signal that the market is ready to revalue the company. In the short term, we need to account for both the possibility of a pullback and the potential for a breakout if we see some profit taking or cooling off after the recent rally. Then the $115 to $118 range looks like a strong area to accumulate shares. On the other hand, if the stock decisively breaks through $125.5, then a breakout entry becomes valid, with a short-term target around $128 to $130. In this scenario, it's crucial to manage risk with a stop loss around $110, because breakout trades can be fast and volatile, but also rewarding if timed correctly. From a medium-term perspective, Palantir is showing healthy signs of momentum. Both the 20-day and 60-day moving averages are trending upward, and indicators like MACD and OBV are confirming strength. Fundamentally, Palantir continues to expand its platform, with both government and enterprise clients aiming to scale revenue without sacrificing profitability. That makes the $110 to $115 range ideal for scaling into a midterm position, with a target around $140 and a stop loss near $105 if the breakout holds, and the stock establishes a new trend channel. That target may well be revised upward as sentiment and volume continue to build. Looking at the long term, Palantir stands out as a platform company with strong intellectual property, deep government relationships, and growing adoption across defense, healthcare, logistics, and finance. Few tech firms offer the kind of credibility Palantir has built, especially when it comes to data security and trust. Because of this, it makes sense to accumulate long-term positions between $100 and $110. A successful breakout beyond the previous high could open the path to long-term targets of $160 or even $180 over time. A pullback may happen, but that should be viewed more as an opportunity than a threat. If, however, the price falls below $95, it's time to reassess your thesis and update your position accordingly. Palantir is now at a defining moment. The company is increasingly seen as a core player in the data economy, and the price action is reflecting that. The key question isn't whether the price is going up, it's whether this move is the beginning of a structural re-rating, or just a short-term bounce based on current technical and fundamental data. It appears that Palantir is not a passing theme but a central trend in itself. A breakout here could signify that the market has fully bought into that vision. Now it's your move. Will you wait for a pullback and look for a safer entry, or will you strike when the breakout confirms and ride the momentum forward? Your decision will depend on your investing style, but one thing is clear: Palantir is currently in a zone where technical levels and market psychology are deeply intertwined. If you manage your risk properly, this moment could be your opportunity to step into the core of the next big growth wave. I hope this breakdown helps clarify your strategy, and I'll see you in the next video with more insights and analysis. Thank you for watching.